Jess, what are you about to eat?
My first pear ever.
Very good.
It's a lot thicker than what I thought it was going to be. Now, do I just bite into it? Is there like, is it this way or this way?
No, I would kind of, yeah.
Really?
Yep.
Okay. Because everything in me wants to kind of.
Well, you can do it.
You can
But
do
the
that.
skin is the healthy part, right?
It's your pear. You can do whatever you want.
Maybe you should just eat the fruit part and then for your second bite, get the skin.
I'm just going to do it the way
Do
Brian
it?
tells
Okay,
me.
just do
He's
it.
the pear director.
All right.
Okay. Should it go on the side or the front?
What do you think?
I mean, what am I supposed to get out of this?
Nutritional value for this little guy.
Yeah, there's like no anything on there.
Oh,
And
not
I
the
need it
pear.
to come in a can with sugar sauce.
All right. What if we put some like?
Is there a dipping mechanism?
Well,
You can
you
dip
could
it.
dip it.
I mean, there's just nothing to it. Like, it's not bad. Part of the reason I don't like lettuce is because it crunches.
Uh huh.
Like, I like this part, not so much found.
So much.
I mean, if I keep eating it,
You could do the
I'm gonna
inside.
try a front bite.
Yeah.
It's alright. I don't know why would, how much do one of these things cost?